like,
Look at their square legs.
there's one that way too, and it's definitely rectangle.
Why are we stuck like this?
We have to circle, I guess.
Oh my gosh, look! Everything looks like turbulence is scaring me.
You're fine.
Chill. That big turbulence was because we went through a cloud. Just chill.
You chill.
Look at all that open land.
Oh no, it's going nowhere. Oh, look at that.
Should be pretty.
I want that land. Oh,
Yeah. I want the land. Let's build a barn.
Going through another side of it.
Are we gonna go through another cloud?
But we're in Florida. We can't live in Florida with horses.
No.
It's too hot.
Yes.
Alright, can we hit land, please?
Can we land?
Can we drop to land, please? I'm getting nervous.
It's on. It's on. You're videotaping.
I didn't actually look at it. I was acting like the orange guy.
It's so
Has anyone seen my melons? I can't find them. I found my melons.
Oh god, we're over ocean.
Lake,
We're not over an
lake,
ocean.
lake, bay.
Lake.
Jinx again.
Oh god. Don't start saying.
Want a beer bra? Yeah, bra. It's a beer bra. Wait. How's it go? Want a beer bra? Yeah, bra. What's that, bra? A beer bra. Want one, bra? Yeah, bra. Cheers, bra. You've never seen that vinyl.
No.
It is the funniest thing.
Well, you just reenacted it, so.
It's raining in the distance, I think.
It's not raining.
It's Florida, of course it is. I have to pee.
Same.
I see the runway. Here we go. Should I videotape it?
I'll come back.